Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool spot right here, and basically what this is a knife block holder. So you can actually use this to actually hold all your knife inside right here, which is definitely pretty cool. So I'll actually open up and then show you guys what's actually included first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they do provide guys a user manual inside to teach you guys how to use the product and how to maintain it. But you guys can see there's a box inside, so let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the box looks like inside. So they definitely have the logo right there, or the name right here, OOU. And then this is basically what the product looks like right here. Let's open it up. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys take it out, you guys can see that there's something inside right here. So I'm assuming this is some kind of holder that I can actually put on the product to hold something on the side. So you can see the product is all nicely wrapped up. Let me actually take out the wrapper first. Alright, so you can see that once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So on top they do give you guys a little piece of paper to show you guys how to put the knife inside correctly. But when we take out the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So definitely it is pretty big and very bulky, so it definitely put a lot of stuff on here. It actually looks a lot bigger than what it actually looks like in the picture, which is pretty awesome. So that way I can put a lot of stuff on here, if you can see. So you can see how much space there are right here. So you can definitely put a lot of stuff on here. Whether you want to put like a cleaver, your butcher knife, or a regular knife, you can definitely do all of that on here. And see the way how they actually design it. They give you guys an option right here where you guys can actually put probably like a scissor or like a sharpening rod right here. And on the side right here, you can actually hang stuff if you guys want to, which is basically the same thing that you guys got right here. And then the cool thing about this product is the fact that if you guys want to remove this top layer right here, you can definitely do that. Let me show you guys how to do it. You just want to take it out like this. Alright, so when I take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it's definitely very spacious inside. And if you can see the way how to design this part right here, it definitely has the protection and very nice fitting when you guys actually put your knife inside right here. And you see at the very bottom right there, they do have the little openings throughout the product. So that way when you guys have liquid on the knife or whatever, the liquid will fall down right here. So that way I actually keep it dry and everything, which is pretty cool. And if you guys can see right here, they also have the non-slip materials throughout the pot right here. So that way when you guys put it on the table, it won't keep moving around. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this on the countertop and show you guys how to use it, and then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. So let's start putting it in and then show you guys how it works and what actually works. So I'll start with this one first. So you guys want to be really careful and just put it inside. Just like that. If you guys need to adjust it, move it up and down, you can definitely do that after you guys take it out. And then slide it upwards or downwards however you guys want to. You can definitely see how it goes all the way in, so that is pretty safe. Same thing for other ones as well. It literally goes all the way in. It definitely has that protection right here. And then same thing for this one. If we slide it in, that one also goes all the way in. If I turn it onto the side, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. And obviously because of how long the product is, it's definitely long enough to put the whole entire knife. And you don't have to worry about stabbing all the way to the bottom, which is pretty cool. So if you guys have like a sharpening rod, you can definitely put it inside right here. Or if you guys have like a scissor, you can definitely put that right here, which is pretty nice. And then for this option right here, if you guys want to hang like your sharpening knife, you definitely can. But for the one that I have, it doesn't have the hang option. So what I can do instead is to hang something else, like maybe my spoon for my rice cooker right here, if you can see. But you guys can definitely see the product is very spacious and definitely has a lot of room for you guys to put a bunch of other knives as well. And then when it comes to cleaning the product, it's very easy. All you need to do is just take out the lid and take out the container and just put water inside right here and rinse it. So I just finished rinsing the container. I just need to rinse this now. Then just go like this. And then just let this air dry. And then once it's finished air drying, you can put it back in the container, and then you guys can start putting your knife inside right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to use. If you guys can see from the test, I could put so many knives inside the product, so that way I don't have to worry about putting my knife hanging out in the drawers or whatever. This way is actually much more safer, and also you guys don't have to worry about damaging the product or whatever. I really like the option of how you guys can take off the lid, so that way if you guys need to clean it, you can just take it out and just rinse it, which is pretty cool. And obviously if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to wash it before you guys put your knife inside, just to make sure it's clean. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to keep all your knife organized and you don't have to worry about hurting yourself by putting it into the drawer or just hanging onto your countertop, then you should definitely get one of these right here. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or happen to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.